In this video, we're gonna take a tour of this beautiful home here in Hancock Park. A beautiful 5-bed, 3-bath home here in Hancock Park, which is an exclusive neighborhood here in Los Angeles. Coming in right now. We locked the door before some intruder might come in. So this is actually a Craftsman's gem, as you can see. Mostly everything is made out of wood. This house was built like in 1912. So it's very old. This is actually dining room here. Now we're walking toward the kitchen. Good thing is that it has a lot of light, natural light, which is great. Outside here, get a sneak peek of the garden. Now we're gonna go over here to the guest room, aka caveman room. For our sports lovers, this would be the room for you. A little garden outside. Here is the bar. Have your drinks here. Kind of cool. Because there's actually a basement. Let's see what's in here. Let's go see. Kind of creepy, huh? Let's see, who knows where. There it is, the basement. A lot of spiders in there. Let's get back out. Better. Oops. Now we're gonna go to the second story. Second story offers a spacious primary room. We're gonna go see right now. That's the stairs. So we're going upstairs. This is one of the rooms here. Has an outdoor view. That's the art, the Mona Lisa, right there. This is a little room here, stage for the kitties. Now I'm entering the main bedroom here. See? Let's go back downstairs. Cool thing about this area is that it's close to the Paramount Studios, Hollywood Bowl, and shopping to do. So there's always something to do around this area. We're downstairs now. Let's go back out here. Now we're going back to the main entrance. backyard. In the garden is here. Here's the garden. It has a little shed here, an ADU. It's added here like a shed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos on my California series. If you have any questions on real estate, buying or selling, let's connect. And I'll see you in the next video.